Welcome to this video on how to write an attention-grabbing email subject line. I'm sure you're familiar with the struggle of trying to get people to open and engage with your emails. You've written great copy, created clever calls to action, and included visuals that enhance the message, but still the open rate remains stubbornly low. The key to boosting engagement with an email is often found in the subject line. This vital piece of copy is your reader's first exposure to the content of the email. It's critical that you make it an effective one. In this video, you'll learn how to craft attention-grabbing email subject lines that compel readers to open and engage with your emails. Part 1. Self-gratification. Good email subject lines are those that deliver immediate gratification. They contain information that is instantly useful or appealing to the reader. The simplest way to create this kind of immediate gratification is to add a benefit in the form of a question that the reader can answer for themselves. This stimulates their curiosity and compels them to open the email. Examples of compelling questions might be, do you want your sales to double in 1 week? Or do you want to learn how to save time and money? Obviously the answer is yes. The advantage of using questions like these is that the reader can see immediately what the email contains and is presented in a way that stirs their curiosity. Part 2. Create urgency. Using urgency can be a powerful way to get people to take action with your emails. Add a sense of immediacy to your subject line, and you can increase the chances of people engaging with the content contained in the email. Examples of urgent language include last chance and only a few days left. Using words that create a sense of urgency are a great way to grab people's attention and compel them to engage with the content. Part 3. Personalization. Personalizing your subject lines is an effective way to get people to open your emails. Adding the recipient's name or a custom message that speaks directly to them can be a powerful way to get them to open and engage with the email. The key here is to make the personalized message as relevant as possible. Personalized messages that contain information that is specific to the reader are far more likely to be opened than generic messages. Part 4. Use action words. Using action words in your subject lines is another way to draw people in. Action-based words such as discover, unlock, and explore are great ways to get people interested in the email. These words create immediacy and evoke a sense of action in the reader. They suggest that the email contains something they can do or learn that can benefit them in some way. Make sure that the email subject line is always about the customer or client, never about yourself. In conclusion, subject lines are an often overlooked but vital part of an email campaign. Writing an attention-grabbing subject line is the first step to getting people to engage with the content in the email. You've learned how to craft effective email subject lines using techniques such as self-gratification, creating urgency, personalization, and using action-based words. Start by using these techniques in your subject lines and you'll be well on your way to creating emails that get people to open and engage with your content. Check out my other videos below to help you start your copywriting journey and career. See you next time.